Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 GMC Acadia and I will show you the battery location. This video applies to GMC Acadias made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. Now most of the cars and SUVs have batteries next to the engine or in the trunk, but these Acadias have it back here, just under the carpet on the passenger side. To access the battery, first turn this knob so you can remove the carpet, and then under the carpet there is like a small cover which is held by one Torx 15 T15 screw, and you will have to remove that one as well to get access to the battery. Okay, and this is the screw that's holding it, and now you can pretty much just raise this cover up. And like I said, here is your battery. I know it's quite unusual place, but that's just how it is. Okay, thank you for watching this very short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.